I actually don't usually vlog, but I think I got to show you this. I'm on top of the Obuotabiri Mountain here in Koforidua, and I think yesterday and 2 days ago there's been heavy rainfall, and so the skies are cleared. Everything looks pretty crisp, and like the view of Koforidua surrounded by some mountain ranges all over that area is. Let me see if I can flip over my top. So that's Koforidua we have there, and it's a really beautiful sky. So you've got, you usually will not be able to see that far when you are up here because of the fog in the town. But because of the rainfall, the entire area has been cleared. It looks crisp, and getting the views is, it's really amazing. So some landmarks to show you. Where my finger is pointing, that is the new National Communication Authority building. On the left side over there is the Koforidua Sports Stadium. I think it's also under renovation. From here, what else? This side we have Jackson's Park. I recently shared a drone video of the place. That is Koforidua. We have one of the markets over there. And that side far away on top there is the Eastern Premier Hotel. So from here you can see pretty much everything in Koforidua, and it's very obvious that this whole town is surrounded by mountain ranges, and it's a beautiful sight to look at. I'm gonna pick up the drone and then show you some of the views I get from here. It's pretty amazing. Like, I would want to go forward, but right here there's a, it goes like flat down, so I don't want to just approach anymore. But that is the view we have here in Koforidua, and here are some of the drone shots. So it started raining in some parts of town, right about there. This side, over that area, there's a bit of rain over there. I don't know whether it's coming or it's just raining over there. So I just had to come back home and then don't fly any farther. I don't know, I can't gauge where the rain is. Interestingly, this side is also, there's a bit of a sunshine over here, but I was kind of going to that side a bit more. I'm gonna go to the like descending and take some drone shots of that area too. There's the hills around this area is just amazing, and there's a lot of green on it, and when the sun is on it, it's just amazing to watch. So I think this side of it I am pretty much done, and moving to the other side. I'm left with only one more battery, so I'm just gonna go and see if I can get some. There's a bit of a basin at this side. I'll show you when I get there, and I'm just hoping to get some nice shots from there too. So let's go. So I've had to retreat because somehow it's starting to rain here, but not where I want the actual shots taken from. So I am just on my motorbike getting back, and I'm just gonna descend all the way to the base of the mountain and probably book this second shot for another time. But it's getting into rainy season here, and it's just, you know, it's just raining. I can't fly the drone in the rain, so yeah, that's about it. So I'm basically back at the base now. Came from this side. I'm here to get my motorbike fixed before I go home. I would probably have to go some other time and then figure out. That side is also really nice, and I hope to get some drone shots of it. But until then, this is all I was able to capture from today's, and we'll make another schedule another day and go for the other side. Now that is a bit rainy, we would have to probably do it early in the morning, sometime in the morning, so that by the afternoon when the rains come, I'll be done. So that's it from me. I'm not really used to doing vlogs, so forgive me if this is not the format of vlogs or how they do it and stuff like that. I hope to share more drone videos as and when I get them, so make sure to also check around. I have more than 30 plus 4K videos of drone shots here in Accra and Koforidua. So if you're interested in stuff like that, make sure to check around the channel and let me know your thoughts in the comments. So thanks for joining me in this one, and we'll catch you in the next. Bye.